Hi, it's Jess, welcome back to another video. Today is something a little bit different. One of my subscribers, I will tag the name on screen, very kindly sent me this little garage for some of my Hot Wheels. So I'm just doing a little video of putting it together and then I'll show some of the customs I've done at the end. So I think this garage is made out of like compressed foam, but it's so cool. I love the way it looks, and I love all the little details on the sides and everything. And on the top it has a strip of LEDs which just lights up the garage and it makes the cars look so cool. So you can see some of the details on the back here. I just think they look really good, and I really just think it adds to the effect to make it look like it's actually in a garage. So it just really easily clicks together. So I've just clipped the back bit in there. And then I'm just moving on to the side bits. So this bit here, I did have a little bit of trouble clicking it together, but I got it there in the end. It just needed a little bit of extra force. I just think the bottom bit wasn't made big enough to fit it, but it ended up working out. So next I'm just adding this bit of railing. This bit just slots in quite easily. So now I'm just adding the roof to finish it all off. I was having a bit of trouble here, but I managed to get there in the end. You just have to look at it from different angles to try and slot all the bits together at the same time. So that's what it looked like all together. You do get a piece of like plexiglass that slots into the front, and this is really good because if you are permanently storing cars in there, it just keeps all of the dust off and it keeps them nice and protected. It does need a bit of a clean. It's covered in fingerprints and everything, but I do that at the end of the video. So to get the lights to work, you just plug, it comes with like a USB end, so you can just plug it in anything. It's got a couple of wires on, which just means if you buy more than one, you can stack them on top of each other or next to each other and just light them all up from the same power source. So once that was plugged in, it's just got a little button that you press and it lights it up. But I think that just makes it look so much cooler. So now I'm just going to show you a couple of the custom Ford Escorts we've done. So this was the latest one we've done. It was my take on a treasure hunt. So I have a video of the full process on my channel if you would like to watch. This one has to be one of my favourite. The finish on the paint just looks absolutely amazing. I love the little bits of metallic in that you can see when it hits the light. I really do love this one. So I didn't show this one on my channel, but it's like a rat look one, and I just think this one turned out absolutely amazing. I might do a more in-depth video of how I got the rat look. So this is one of the first ones I did as well, not on the channel. As you can tell, the paintwork isn't that great. You can see a few little bubbles and stuff, but I've worked out how to get it to look smoother and cleaner since then. So that's it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please like, subscribe and comment what car you think I should do next. If there's any other customs you would like to see, just drop a comment and let us know. Thanks.